I love the culture impact here.
It's really easy to work with people here.
There is a well-diverse group of people, so it's like we're kind of breaking those boundaries.
The relationships you build with your team members are lifelong relationships.
I started in 2018, just a little over 5 years for me. When I started as a drafter, I definitely did not expect to be in a manager's position, working with others and furthering their career.
I made the decision to work at Radiator Coils 8 years ago, and I wouldn't change it for the world. The majority of the people who we've hired in recent years do not have manufacturing experience. This is their first introduction into the world of production. For most people, when they come in on their first day, this is their first experience working to a clock system, understanding PPE and general safety requirements for light industrial manufacturing, understanding basic tools for taking measurements, and even things like how to read blueprints.
We love to build people up in the organization. Most of the staff in managing positions are people from the floor that spent some years, know the product, know the people. It's a lot of fun.
We've really grown as far as like skill sets, as far as leadership and management development. It's insane.
I've been here with the company now going on 3 years in December. I definitely feel the support of management. I think that just speaks to a broader baseline company culture of just hiring good people who care about each other.
If you want to have a career, like yeah, you can have a job, but a career is going to be something that you want to show up every day. And you have that drive that's you're like, I'm going to go improve this. So feeling like you have a purpose, I feel like SRC really delivers on that side.
We actually live and breathe our core values. So that's one of the biggest things that I appreciate here.
I think everybody in any discussion has something value to add, whether that's someone working on the shop floor, conveying something to an engineer on how to do something better, or a designer conveying information here, all the way up to our senior research team that's just one phone call away.
We're, in a sense, saving the world. We provide air cooling here. Some of the Navy items we may partake in is giving oxygen for medical devices, things like that. So not only are we saving the world, we're impacting our own team to improve and have good success and be super.
There's definitely a very human family vibe culture within the company that really struck a chord with me, and it definitely was a high mark on my value. So
the relationship, the teamwork, those core values, they're true. Everybody wears them proud daily.
So you always get to work with people, bounce ideas off, and like really find something that's unique and effective for custom coil manufacturing.
That open door policy, that communicative spirit of solving problems, and the humble approach that people take with their interactions day to day really opens up the kind of cohesive problem-solving communication within the company.
Teamwork is another big thing because it's not just a one-man show. Like you have to be able to collaborate between different departments.
You get the support of everybody here in the company, treat you well. I got the support that I needed to learn different trades.
When it comes to making coils is nothing that's done individually. To produce a coil, it's a team effort, and we do our best work together. It's that family values and family traditions carry through the organization. And if you like coming to work at a place where you know that your work is valued by the people that you're supporting.
You have values here, people respect you, you respect them. I've been at Radiator Coil for going on 31 years, and throughout my tenure, I have never had anything or bad feelings toward the company.
This has been a remarkable journey, and I would highly encourage others to be a part of this.